Mom, what are we cooking today?
We're making pasta.
Can I help you?
Yes, chop these vegetables.
How much salt should I add?
Just a pinch.
Should I stir the sauce?
Yes, keep stirring.
How long should we boil the pasta?
About 10 minutes.
Can I taste the sauce?
Sure, but be careful, it's hot.
What else do we need?
Some cheese for topping.
Do we have enough garlic?
Yes, I already added some.
Should I wash the dishes now?
No, we'll do later.
When will dinner be ready?
In 20 minutes.
Can I set the table?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Do we need more spices?
No, the flavor is perfect.
Is the pasta done?
Let's check.
Should I drain the pasta?
Yes, but be careful with the hot water.
Can we add more cheese?
Of course.
What should I do next?
Mix the pasta with the sauce.
Do you like cooking with me?
Yes, I love it.
Can we make dessert too?
Maybe tomorrow.
Why do you love cooking?
It makes me happy.
Who taught you to cook?
My mother did.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making lasagna.
Can I try making it alone next time?
Yes, I'll guide you.
Do you think I'll be a good cook?
Of course, you're learning fast.
Is this dish healthy?
Yes, it has lots of vegetables.
Can I invite my friend for dinner?
Sure, that would be nice.
Should I add more pepper?
Just a little.
Why does food smell so good while cooking?
Because of the spices and heat.
What's for dinner tomorrow?
Maybe chicken curry.
Can we try a new recipe next time?
Yes, let's find one together.
I love cooking with you, Mom.
I love it too, sweetheart.
What's that wonderful smell?
I made my first dish.
What did you cook today?
I made a vegetable stir-fry.
It looks so colorful.
I used fresh veggies and herbs.
Was it difficult to make?
It was a bit challenging but fun.
Did you follow a recipe?
Yes, I followed a simple recipe.
How do you feel after cooking?
I feel proud and excited.
Is the dish delicious?
Yes, it tastes really good.
What's your secret ingredient?
I added extra garlic for flavor.
Did you cook everything by yourself?
Yes, I did it all on my own.
How long did it take?
It took me about 30 minutes.
Would you like to cook again?
Absolutely. I want to try more recipes.
Can I help you next time?
Yes, that would be wonderful.
Did you enjoy the process?
Yes, I really enjoyed cooking.
Will Mom be impressed?
I'm sure she will love it.
I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Dad. That means a lot.
Let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite, or share your practice sentences with me. Are you awake?
Yes, I just got up.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, but I'm still sleepy.
Have you brushed your teeth?
Not yet. I will now.
What do you want for breakfast?
Just some toast and milk.
Did you pack your school bag?
Yes, I did last night.
Where's your lunchbox?
It's in my bag.
Do you have your water bottle?
Oh no, I forgot.
Here, take this one.
Thanks, Mom.
What time does school start?
At 8 a.m.
Are you wearing your uniform?
Yes, I just put it on.
Where are your socks?
I can't find them.
Check your drawer.
Oh, here they are.
Did you comb your hair?
No, not yet.
Do you need help?
No, I can do it myself.
Where are your shoes?
They're by the door.
Hurry up, or you'll be late.
I'm almost ready.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
What subjects do you have today?
Math, English, and science.
Do you have your books?
Yes, they're in my bag. Where's your school ID? It's in my pocket.
Did you take your lunch money?
Yes, I have it.
Are you taking the bus today?
No, I'll walk with my friends.
Don't forget your umbrella.
It's not raining today.
Still, keep it just in case.
Okay, I'll take it.
What time will you be back?
Around 3 p.m.
Do you have any tests today?
No, just a quiz.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I think so.
Don't forget to take your lunch.
I already packed it.
Who's picking you up?
Dad will pick me up today.
Be careful on the way.
I will, Mom.
Listen to your teachers.
Of course.
Stay focused in class.
I will try my best.
Eat your lunch on time.
I won't forget.
Don't talk too much in class.
I'll be quiet, promise.
Be nice to your classmates.
I always am. Do you have your key? Yes, I do.
Call me if you need anything.
Okay, Mom.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Love you.
Love you too, Mom.
Bye, sweetheart.
Bye, Mom. See you later.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.